Now we will continue to investigate the superheating of water by microwave oven. This time the water is contained in a bowl, which is significantly larger than the glass that we used in previous video. Let's pour the demineralized water into the glass bowl to half level, and put the bowl into the microwave oven. Two minutes later. The water gets warm, but it doesn't show the symptoms of being superheated. Let's heat the water again for another minute.
Kelihatan loh tadi.
Lewat pakai cangcut deh.
Iya. Tinggal dihapus.
Jadi viral coba.
When the heating process is over, we can see some bubbles are formed in the water. But it's still not superheated because the metal fork doesn't make it to react. After another minute of heating, we can see some bubbles are formed in the water. But it still doesn't seem to be superheated because the metal fork doesn't show strong reaction. After another minute of heating, we can see bubbles are bigger than before. But it still doesn't seem to be superheated because the metal object dipped into it doesn't show strong reaction. After several more trials, some water has been evaporated. Let's add some more demineralized water into it. Now the water has been heated for 1.5 minutes. Some bubbles can be seen here. When a metal tool is dipped, the water starts to boil. After another minute of reheating, let's check again. The water doesn't react when the metal is dipped near the edge. But when it's moved to around the center, the water starts to boil. Similar thing happen when a plastic spoon is used, although the bubble is smaller. The last test shows that the water is superheated non-homogeneously. It's superheated at some locations, while at some other locations it's not superheated.